Let me ask you something. Why are you still doing all the work while making less than you should? You didn't start your landscaping business to be broke, stressed, or stuck in the field. You started for freedom. But right now, you built yourself a job, not a business. I know because I lived it. I went from a push lawnmower to using my wheelbarrow as a truck to running multiple crews, making real money, and finally stepping out the day-to-day work. The problem isn't you. You don't have the right system. That's exactly why I built Elite Landscaping Operator. Inside, we show you step by step how to get better, high-paying customers, stop wasting time on cheap leads, build a system that runs without you, and grow your business 3 times, even 10 times where you are now. And no, this isn't about working more hours. This is about working smarter with a system. Here's what happens when you join. We fix your foundation. First, better service quality, better pricing, better positioning. Then we plug in a lead generating system, simple workflows, and automations that keep your calendar full. So instead of chasing work, work is chasing you. And you're not doing this alone. Every week we have live calls, real support, real answers. Twice a month we hold you accountable. We track your progress. We push you to win. This isn't just a group. It's a brotherhood of operators leveling up together. And when you're ready to move faster, we give you the ELO system, a CRM built for landscapers with lead filters that block cheap customers and automation that only lets serious buyers through so you stop wasting your time and only talk to people who are ready to pay. Listen, another season is coming. You either stay stuck doing everything yourself or you step into the CEO role and build something real. Joining is free, so there's no excuses. Click the link, join ELO, and let's build a business that works for you. Let's dominate this industry.